Alright, first off, let's just take a second to admire how good this bike looks with white walls on both the front and back. Yeah. Let me get out of here before I get rained on. Nope, we're gonna ride right into it. Crap. Well, this sucks. Especially since we're on brand new tires. It's a good thing it's Friday, golly. Jeez. We might have to go around all these people when it comes to the stop sign. Whew, it's a bit chilly too. Alright, you guys, the bobber is finally back. We got the new tires on it, and yeah, I don't know if that front tire was like before it went flat. I don't know if it was underinflated, but this front tire, it just feels so much more maneuverable now. Almost like it's almost slick. It's just something to get used to. Come on, guy, it's okay to do the speed limit. Alright, that's a little better. We're still getting rained on though. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna be soaked. Oh my gosh, seriously? You guys see that? Oh my goodness. This kind of sucks. Jeez, there's a thunder. Alright, we got time. I'm gonna be riding right into the rain. Golly. This is about to suck. I'm gonna be freezing when I get home. Hopefully these new tires do alright. I've gotten 2 rides on them so far. Nothing in the wet though. Hopefully they're scrubbed in enough. This video was supposed to be a first ride on these new tires, but this kind of sucks now that we're caught in the rain. Alright, we'll keep going this direction and hopefully get out of the rain. Oh, we need to get gas too, I forgot. Yeah, so you can't really tell right now, but the, I don't know if it's just because it's a different kind of tire, or if it's inflated properly now, but the wheel is bouncing up and down a lot. It's not really doing it right now, but it does at higher speeds. I don't know if it's off balance or what. Hey, that guy's gotta suffer too. Gosh, my freaking visor's fogging out too. Sorry if there's some wind noise, you guys. Visor's fogging up and this semi's slowing me down. Really. Sorry guys, I'm getting wet. Yep, it's raining harder now. Anyway, so I guess while we're sitting in traffic here, let's tell you about the tires. I don't know the exact brand of them, but they are in fact real white wall tires. Really, the only difference between these tires and the non-white wall tires, is a $30 difference. That's it. So you may as well just go for the white wall tires because $30 is nothing. Well, $30 per tire. And in order to find some actual white wall tires that matched, they went ahead and got me a lot better tires than I actually needed, but they matched. They didn't want to mismatch tires when I told them that I wanted white walls. Yeah, the tires were pretty expensive. The tires and installation was like $550, which was probably about $200 more than I was expecting. But it's alright, it looks amazing. And so far they perform really well. We'll get some gas real quick and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I am soaked. $7. I'll take it. Yeah, this is where I was stuck when my tire went flat and it would not start on me. Oh my goodness, it's raining even harder now. Yep, I filled up at that air station twice. That tire just would not hold air. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. It was not supposed to rain today. What kind of bike is this? It's got a really fat rear tire, that's for sure. It's shaft driven though, just like me. Oh my goodness, we're riding right into the storm, you guys. This sucks. Oh, it's a Triumph. Nice. Well, you guys, this is about to suck for me really bad for like 25 minutes, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. My back is completely soaked. There is water flying underneath my visor up into my helmet. I think we're through the worst of it though. We got clear skies ahead. The front tire's throwing up water, that's why I'm soaked. Oh my goodness, yeah. My shoes are all wet, golly. I'm gonna have to dry them out. This guy was smart and at least wore boots. In a low power mode on a 2002 motorcycle before that was invented, you just put it in 5th gear. As high as it'll go. There's your low power mode. Your overdrive gear. The only part of me that's not wet is the top of my head and underneath my backpack. It was not supposed to rain today. This was not on the forecast. Alright, I'm good. That was completely legal. It's a right on red, a completely legal U-turn, and another right on red. Hey, we got a rainbow. Does that mean we're done with the rain? Hopefully. Oh yeah, that little rainbow looks awesome. We got another motorcyclist that got caught in the rain. We're through the worst of it though. The sun is out. Clear skies ahead. This guy's in a hoodie too, and boots. I guess boots are the smart thing to wear. Whoa, it's a Harley too. Alright. Ah, much better. We can start to warm up now that the sun's out. The forecast, alright, let's close this. The forecast was 76 and clear skies. As of yesterday, and this morning too, but halfway through the day I guess they changed it to rain. Alright, you can kind of see it now with the front tire. Wait, hi to these guys real quick. Hey! You can kind of see it now. Look at the shock right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. The shock's going up and down really fast. It's like bouncing. It wasn't doing that before. Oh my gosh, I literally have puddles of water in my shoes right now. That is not cool. Golly, that was not fun, you guys. But yeah, so far I like these tires. They are performing pretty well. Why are you trying to die on me again? We got some warm air up here now. Now that the sun's out. Yeah, maybe it's just the forks going out. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to get the fork seals redone. Alright, anyways, guys. We got the motor back, as you can tell. And I was gone for about a week. They had the new tire in when the new front tire in when I dropped it off, and the rear tire came off back order, and so they got that one ordered. They must have put a rush shipping on it or something, because that tire got there really fast. It was gone in exactly a week. And yeah, everything included. Actually, they did have to replace the tube on the front tire, I believe, and actually both tires, because they said the rear tire, the little stem, the valve stem, they said that was rusted out and it was starting to it was rusted out, so they just replaced the rear tire also, or the rear tube. So I don't know how much the tubes were, but they weren't that much. All in all, it costed me $550, and they said it started up just fine. And they didn't even mess with the charging system or the battery at all. They didn't put a new battery in, which you can kind of tell because it's trying to die on me again. And earlier it started up just fine, and it's been starting up just fine, especially with the warmer weather. So who knows? I do plan on getting a new battery for this probably at the end of summer anyway, because this battery is at least 2 years old. Alright, now we're out of the rain. That's so much better. Ooh, nice. I like that paint scheme on that R6. I mistook it. I almost mistook it for a Ducati at first. Oh, they're still having the car show even in the rain. They got this car show here like every couple weeks. Nothing really good though. Some old cars. No, I think the rain scared everybody away. Some Mustangs, they're just normal GTs though. Yeah, look this front wheel turns so much better now. It's like almost slick how much it turns. Now let me clean you guys off. You guys probably have raindrops all on you. There we go. That should help. I hope. I can't tell. But yeah, they said let me get out. Avoid this puddle. Do not want to be on that. They said the battery tested good, and they didn't touch it, so we'll see how it acts. It's been starting up just fine, except for just now. I mean, today, because it was cooler weather, it took a second longer to start up, but it's usually immediately. And then just now at the light you guys saw, I was trying to die. I still think the battery is an issue, but it's working for now. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me on this rainy ride home. And just letting you guys know what happened with the bobber. It wasn't too big of a deal, I guess. It's been working fine yesterday and today, so we'll see how it continues to work. I still would like to get that battery replaced. But we'll find out. We'll see. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, give it a like, and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.